Starting today, the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is changing to a 3-digit number. Folks from anywhere in the U.S. are now able to call 988 and speak to a trained counselor. News 9's Angelicia Bruton spoke to folks about what this means for Oklahomans. Angelicia?
The 988 number actually went live here in Oklahoma the first week of July. Since launching, it has already received hundreds of calls. More than 600 calls have already come into the new crisis call center in downtown OKC. The call center has more than 30 trained counselors taking calls. You can call or text this number. The Oklahoma Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services says this is several years in the making. Mental health advocates have been pushing for something easier to remember than a 10-digit number. The state says this is just an expansion of the work already being done in Oklahoma. They can dispatch mobile crisis units and connect people with mental health care services.
We have high rates of mental illness and addiction in Oklahoma. It's important that we continue to work to increase access to those services and reach people before they experience those negative consequences that too often accompany a behavioral health crisis.
The 1-800-SUICIDE hotline number still works. If someone calls that number, they will be directed to 988 services. In the studio, Angelicia Bruton, Oklahoma's Own News 9.